Hi everyone, welcome to our team FR Papaya Salad, and today we're gonna introduce for you guys about a very popular and delicious dish called green papaya salad. So let's start with the ingredients. So the dish includes green papaya, which is rich in vitamin C and is also very good for your health. And after that, we're gonna have carrots, which contain a lot of vitamin A, especially good for your eyes. And also we have shrimp, provides high quality protein. And of course we also need like coriander and roasted peanuts. So now let me show you how to make this tasty dish step by step. So the first step, we need to peel the green papaya, and after that we need to cut it into half. The steps 2 is wash the papaya, carrots and also shrimp, and you need to make sure that you wash the shrimp carefully and very well in order to remove the fishy smell. And step 3, we're gonna shred the papaya into strips and soak them in ice water. This makes the papaya extra crispy. And we're gonna also do the same with the carrots. Step 4, pour the salad sauce into the papaya and carrot mixture, and then we're gonna mix them well. Step 5, boil the shrimp and peel off the shells. And the last step, we're gonna mix all the ingredients together: papaya, carrot, shrimp, coriander, and some roasted peanuts. And then let's see the results. Thank you for listening.